President Emmerson Mnangagwa has fired Commander of the National Army, Lieutenant General Anselem Sanyatwe, and reassigned as Minister of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture with immediate effect. In a high-stakes maneuver, President Mnangagwa has removed General Anselem Sanyatwe as Army Chief, appointing him Sports Minister in place of departing Kirsty Coventry. Sanyatwe is an ally of Vice President Chiwenga, rumored to be the power behind war veteran blessed Geza, who has called for mass action on March 31 to depose Mnangagwa. So the statement reads: termination of service in the Defense Forces and as Commander Zimbabwe National Army and reassignment as Cabinet Minister. In terms of Section 2162, Command of Defense Forces, as read with Section 341F of the Constitution of Zimbabwe and Section 115, Commander-in-Chief Prerogative of the Defense Act, Chapter 1102, the President, in his capacity as such and as Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, has relieved and retired Lieutenant General Anselem Sanyatwe from the Zimbabwe Defense Forces and as Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army with immediate effect. And in terms of Section 1043 of the Constitution, appoint the Lieutenant General retired Anselem Sanyatwe as Minister of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture with immediate effect.